While you'll never retire at this rate, and nobody is telling you the truth about it. Retirement feels far away, decades away, so you push it to the back of your mind. You'll figure it out later. There's plenty of time, but that's a lie. And believing it is destroying your future. Here's what actually happens. Your 20s disappear, then your 30s. You blink and you're 40, with almost nothing saved. Now you're scared. The money you should have been saving for 20 years? Now you have to save it in 10, and that's nearly impossible. Let's look at the math. If you save $200 a month starting at 25, you'll have over $300,000 by 65. Start at 45, you'll have less than $100,000. Same effort, wildly different results. Time is the most powerful wealth builder, and every year you wait, you're throwing it away. Here's why people ignore this. Retirement doesn't feel urgent. Rent is urgent. Bills are urgent. That vacation you want feels urgent. Retirement at 65, that's future you's problem. So you spend everything today and leave future you with nothing. But future you is still you. And that person will either thank you for starting now or resent you for waiting. Here's how to fix it before it's too late. First, find your surplus. The Finance Reset Toolkit calculates exactly what you have left after all expenses. That's the money you can put to work. Second, make retirement a goal, not a someday wish. An actual goal with a number and a timeline. The toolkit tracks it alongside your other goals. Third, simulate your future. The interactive web app shows you where you'll be in 5, 10, 20 years based on what you're doing today. If you don't like what you see, change it now. Add a side hustle. Cut an expense. Increase your savings rate. Watch your retirement number grow in real time. People using this system finally faced their retirement reality. Some were scared at first, but then they made a plan. Now they're on track because they started before it was too late. If you're ready to face the truth and fix your future, hit the like button, comment retire below, and subscribe for more. Tap the link in the description to get the Finance Reset Toolkit and see where you're really headed. This video is for educational purposes only. Individual results may vary.